Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable disable camera filters settings to keep on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. In here, tap on the settings button, then swipe up to go down and tap on settings to keep. In here, tap on filters, tap on the toggle button to switch it on, switch it off. If this is turned on, it can keep the filters you apply to each mode instead of removing them when you close the camera. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.